Good morning or evening. Welcome back to another video. Pardon my stuffiness. I think I'm catching like a little bit of a cold or something. Anyway, on this video today, as you can see, I am out here in a field, with Ron. This is a new build area that's about to happen. And so he tricked me. He told me, hey, babe, come on, put some clothes on, ride with me somewhere. Because he know I like to ride, y'all. He know. All he got to do is say ride, and I'm out the door. But I didn't know that I was going to have to work, okay? So he got me out here helping him measure the space in between all the stakes where the house will be. I guess, Chad, don't get me the line. I don't know about this construction stuff and house building stuff. All I know is he got me out here. I was trying to be cute. I'm standing over here in this brush stuff, which we find out later that we were allergic to. And it was depositing these tiny little splinter-like things into our clothes. And so we started itching really bad when we got in the truck. Like, we didn't know what it was. So we were turning red and breaking out. But it was from whatever this is in this brush. So, yeah, he got me out here measuring in between these stakes. And I think this is like the foundation of the house. And, yeah. So I just figured I'd bring y'all along with me because why not? You like hanging out with Auntie? Auntie like you hanging out with her. And that's just that. Real quick, I want to share with you some sheets that I was sent out by a company called Rest. When I tell y'all these sheets are some of the most innovative sheets I have ever seen, I have ever slept on in my life. So I washed these sheets after I received them. And as you can see, they come with that elastic band to help them stay really secure to the mattress. The cool thing about these sheets is this. I am premenopausal. And these sheets are like a cooling type sheet. So you know how when you are, I don't know, hot flashing at night, these sheets tend to stay cool to touch. However, they are soft as butter for some reason. And they are made out of some type of innovative material that makes them super cool, like cooler than cotton, bamboo, silk, and tencel. Another cool thing about these sheets is that they're antimicrobial. So they are odor blocking, prevents bad bacteria from growing, which helps with acne. Also, because of their smooth, silky touch, they don't snag and pull your hair, so your hair has less frizz. So good hair health as well. Came packaged so cute and simple and to the point. And I just wanted to share this with you guys. I'm going to leave a coupon code down below in the description of this video as well so that you can take advantage of this. It will be Sharon25 to save you 25% at checkout. Make sure you check the link down below. They also have a couple different colors for you to choose from. The code will be good until the end of February. Also, I forgot to tell y'all, I had those sheets for over a week, sleeping on them just to try them out. Ron is so thankful, okay, for these cooling to touch sheets. You know how when you sleep on your pillow for like a long time and it kind of gets warm or, to your body temperature? Imagine that not happening. Pillow stay constantly cool to touch. Like, it is literally a lifesaver, okay? He loves it. I love it. I'm about to wash them again today. I'll let you know in a later video how they're still holding up. I can't imagine those sheets doing anything other than being the quality that they are, which is great quality. Make sure you check the link down below. Bye. I am so cold. I'm cold out here. This man, listen, he gonna put me on his payroll or something because I didn't sign up to come out here and work. But the next day after this video, I actually went and had a meeting with my sponsor for paparazzi. Let me show you what I got when I came back. Now, this is just in case you are interested. This is the kit that I ordered, paid for it with my own money. This is the $300 kit, actually. And I forgot that I had not showed you this stuff pre-party. So the party had already happened literally the next day after I got this stuff, I think it was. But I just wanted to show you kind of like what came in the $300 kit. So you get all this paperwork. It was like your portable receipts, information about different things. You did get a display neck. I ended up going to buy more though. I got these thank you party cards. You get a repair kit with the little pieces of jewelry that you might need to, fix. And then you get these cute paparazzi bags. Now, again, this I think is really catered toward like if you are hosting a party, in a house someplace, or you going somewhere to set up or something like that. A lot of the stuff that came with this is for that, like the travel bag I just showed you. You can put your jewelry in that. Then you get all these peg hooks. And here I'm just preparing for the party, setting up the table. And in my mind, I'm thinking, how's this going to go? Because this would have been my first party, which in hindsight, you guys told me I did a great job for my first ever party. Also, be on the lookout for the next party. I'll let you know when that is, and it'll probably be over on Facebook. But that's just what I was doing in this video. And I realized that I hadn't showed you. So better late than never, sis. So that's all I was doing, setting up all my displays. And again, I did go grab some additional ones from Hobby Lobby. And I actually had a lot of them already, though, from when I was selling jewelry that I was making a while back myself. But they were looking a little dusty. So I kind of wanted some to, and that's some of them back there in the back, the gray one, the cream color one by the YouTube sign. But I wanted some more black ones because I just feel like the jewelry pops more off the black. You can see it better. And I was just setting up my little area, honey, where we had our party at. And again, if you're interested in, paparazzi or whatever, email me. So now I gotta go through. In case you want to get on my team, get on the winning team, a growing team. Shout out, by the way, to my two new ladies that did join my team. Shout out to them. I love y'all for doing that. That's what I'm doing. And we just gonna make some money together. Figure it out together, make money together, just do all the things together. Okay. And that's just really what the remainder of this video is. But anyway, how are y'all doing? So glad you're here. If you made it to this part of the video, I want you to say down in the comments, Auntie, I love you. That way I'll know you actually watched it. You know what I'm saying? I'm just testing your trueness to Auntie. Leave a comment down below right now and say, Auntie, I love you. Child, I was getting frustrated right here because later it ain't gonna fit. Just get up and take the thing apart. Y'all, that is all this video is to the end, okay? We are at the end. I love y'all to the moon and back, and I'm going to catch you in what? The next video. Bye, y'all. They and I are out today supporting Black-owned businesses for Black History Month. So we're about to go eat breakfast, and we're bringing you with us.
Black.
We are downtown Greensboro, by the way. Greensboro.
Under the armpit black.
What's under the armpit black?
That's black.
No, I'm saying what's under the armpit black?
I'm black.
Hey, what does that mean?
You wouldn't know that, but your red tone, you don't have that black under armpit. And black nipples.
Wait, what?
Black areola. Black, everything black. So we supporting all things black.
Back.
City Boulevard.
The restaurant we were going to was actually too crowded, so we ended up going to Smoky Bones for lunch. Well, I wasn't expecting anything. I wasn't expecting nothing. And I come out here and here you are. Babe.
Messing up my come home for Valentine's
Look at
Day.
this. That's so nice.
I got you something that you can take care of. You only need 3 cubes of ice every once a week, so you can do that.
Oh my gosh.
You can do that.
Okay.
Got these roses to symbolize my love for you.
Oh man, hold on. Okay, wait a minute. That's so sweet.
Put in a nice little vase
And some roses. Okay, let me see them. Oh, yellow. Yeah.
Stella Rosa, or whatever you call
Get
that
me
stuff.
nice and tipsy. Thank you, King. Oh, it's nice.
And a nice little card for you with a little something.
Oh, thank you. Good kiss. Good kiss. Thank you. Hey,
That's it up my stuff. Why didn't you get a chance?
that's gonna make me cry.